In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize and manage your designs using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help streamline your workflow and make your design process smoother. First off, you'll need to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you haven't got an account yet, you can sign up easily, and if you do, go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, you have the option to either create a new canvas or select an existing design that you want to work on. This is the starting point for customizing your creations. So choose your project thoughtfully, or start fresh as per your needs. Now that you have your design open on your dashboard, click on any element to select it. This could be anything from text boxes to images or shapes. Clicking on an element is essential for activating the controls that Canva offers, allowing you to modify and adjust different components within your design. Next, you'll want to locate the Position button. Clicking on this will open up a set of options that help you manipulate the layout of your elements. These options are particularly useful for ensuring that your design's composition is exactly how you envision it. Positioning plays a crucial role in design aesthetics, and understanding how to use these controls effectively will make a significant difference. In the Position menu, you'll notice two key options: All and Overlapping. The All option provides a comprehensive view of all the elements you're working with, showcasing them in the order in which they appear on the design. This feature is extremely helpful for selecting, reordering, or locking any element, offering full control of your canvas. Switching to the overlapping view can be handy when dealing with layered items, such as text on images. This view will only show the elements that are touching or overlapping. It's an efficient way to focus on specific parts of your design without distraction, allowing you to adjust layers effectively within that group. For the purpose of our demonstration, let's explore the All option first. By selecting All, you'll gain access to the Layers panel where you can see every element queued up in the design. Here you can click on any layer to select it. Finally, to arrange your layers, simply click and drag them up or down. This allows you to position elements exactly where you want them, giving you control over which designs appear on top and which elements recede into the background. Experiment with this feature to fine-tune your design's visual hierarchy and achieve the desired look. With these steps, you can now navigate Canva with greater confidence and precision. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of creating captivating designs with ease. Happy designing!